Forget what you think you know about Zurich. Yes, it's famous for chocolate and watches, but that's just the surface. Beneath it lies a city where modern innovation meets timeless history, framed by some of the most breathtaking mountain views in Europe. Imagine hopping on a tram that effortlessly whisks you from centuries-old streets to hidden alpine trails in minutes. Whether you're an adventurer, a culture seeker, or someone who just craves a perfect lakeside sunset, Zurich isn't a pit stop. It's a destination you need to experience for yourself. Stay with us, because today we're uncovering the Zurich most tourists never see. Now, you might be thinking, why Zurich? Switzerland has no shortage of beautiful cities, right? Geneva has that sleek, international vibe, Lucerne is straight out of a postcard, and the Alps are calling every adventurer's name. So, what makes Zurich stand out? Here's the thing. Zurich is a city that effortlessly blends natural beauty with urban sophistication. The city rests along 2 rivers and hugs Lake Zurich, which is so clear you could basically drink from it. All of this is framed by the awe-inspiring Swiss Alps, which seem to hang in the background like a living postcard, offering the perfect backdrop for all your Instagram shots. But that's just scratching the surface. Despite being the largest city in Switzerland and home to countless global banks and businesses, Zurich doesn't feel rushed. It moves at its own pace, giving you time to breathe, relax, and soak in everything it has to offer. Here, medieval streets wind their way through the city center. Museums and galleries cater to your inner art enthusiast. And yes, there's chocolate. So much chocolate. While Zurich might be a starting point for many tourists headed to the Alps, it's far from just a layover. Stick around and the city will quietly reward you. Whether it's with an impromptu swim in the lake, an unforgettable sunset from Wettleberg Mountain, or a peaceful afternoon in one of its quaint parks. So, if Zurich isn't shouting for your attention, it's because it doesn't need to. It knows how to impress in its own understated way. The first questions travelers ask, when's the best time to visit Zurich? The answer depends entirely on what kind of experience you're looking for, because Zurich shines year-round. Let's break it down. Zurich in the summer is buzzing with life. This is when the city comes alive with outdoor events, street festivals, and sun-soaked days by the lake. Whether you're people watching in a park, enjoying live music in the city squares, or cooling off with a refreshing dip in Lake Zurich, the summer vibe is contagious. There's even an array of open-air cinemas and food festivals, perfect for an evening out under the stars. The downside? Summer can bring a few rain showers, so don't forget an umbrella. But even the occasional downpour has its charm. Think spontaneous dancing in the rain moments. Zurich in spring is like watching the city slowly wake up from winter slumber. Flowers start to bloom, trees fill out with fresh green leaves, and the whole city seems to bask in a sense of renewal. The weather is mild, perfect for leisurely walks through the old town or along the lake without the hustle and bustle of summer tourists. Spring also means the quirky Sechselauten Spring Festival, where locals burn a giant snowman to symbolically say goodbye to winter. It's a fascinating mix of tradition and fun that you won't want to miss. As the leaves turn golden and the air grows crisp, Zurich transforms into a painter's palette of rich hues. This is a perfect time to explore the city's art galleries, cozy up in cafes with a hot chocolate, or even take a scenic train ride through the fall foliage. If you're a movie buff, the Zurich Film Festival is a must, showcasing the best of international and Swiss cinema. Be sure to pack a sweater, though. It gets chilly. Zurich in winter feels like stepping into a snow globe, with festive Christmas markets popping up in the streets, the smell of roasted chestnuts filling the air, and twinkling lights decorating the trees. It's truly magical. The city's nearby mountains also offer plenty of skiing and snowboarding options for the more adventurous. Plus, there's nothing like ending the day with a piping hot fondue meal to warm you from the inside out. Each season brings something special to Zurich, so no matter when you decide to visit, you'll find the city welcoming and full of surprises. Getting around Zurich couldn't be easier. The city is famous for its incredibly efficient and reliable public transport system. Whether you prefer buses, trams, bikes, or simply walking, Zurich has you covered. Zurich's bus network is extensive, with routes that crisscross the entire city and beyond. Tickets are easy to purchase at the bus stops. Just enter your destination code into one of the automatic ticket machines and you're good to go. The best part? Buses often offer some of the most scenic views of the city. So, while you're en route to your next destination, keep your eyes peeled for hidden gems along the way. Zurich's trams are iconic. They are interlaced through the city in a web of routes that'll take you just about anywhere you want to go. Easy to spot with their sleek blue and white designs, they're efficient and fast. Plus, riding the tram is a great way to get a feel for the city's rhythm. You can grab a ticket from the machines at tram stops, choosing anything from a quick ride to a full-day pass. If you're heading out of Zurich city center and want to reach the suburbs or surrounding towns, Zurich's S-Bahn suburban rail system is your go-to. It's quick and convenient, though it may lack the scenic appeal of trams and buses. But if you're in a hurry or just want to get somewhere fast, the S-Bahn is unbeatable. Zurich is a bike-friendly city with plenty of dedicated lanes and picturesque routes. There are several places around the city where you can rent bikes for free with a CHF 20 deposit, including right outside the main train station. If you're staying more than a day, it's CHF 10 per additional day. Cycling around Zurich gives you a chance to see the city from a whole new perspective, with the added bonus of fresh air and exercise. Zurich is a walker's dream, especially when exploring the charming cobblestone streets of the Altstadt, Old Town. From here, you can stroll along the banks of Lake Zurich, wander down picturesque lanes filled with shops and cafes, or lose yourself in Zurich's historical sites. Walking gives you the freedom to explore the little nooks and crannies you'd miss otherwise. If you're looking to see Zurich from a different perspective, hop on a boat. Zurich offers boat services on both Lake Zurich and the Limmat River. During the warmer months, April to October, themed cruises are available, offering live music, local cuisine, and sweeping views. It's the perfect way to relax while seeing the city from the water. Zurich has a wide range of accommodations, whether you're looking for budget-friendly stays or luxurious retreats. For first-time visitors, staying in the Old Town, Altstadt, is a great option. You'll be within walking distance of Zurich's main attractions, surrounded by historic buildings, charming shops, and excellent restaurants. If you love the idea of stepping outside your hotel and immediately being immersed in the city's history, this area is perfect for you. If you're after a livelier vibe, Langstrasse is where it's at. This vibrant district is known for its mix of bars, cafes, restaurants, and an eclectic energy that contrasts nicely with Zurich's more traditional areas. Looking for something luxurious? The Storken Zurich and Hotel Schweizerhof Zurich are two iconic options. The Storken Zurich, perched right on the banks of the Limmat River, offers breathtaking views and top-tier service, while Hotel Schweizerhof Zurich offers historic charm and a central location just steps from the main train station. For budget travelers, Hotel Limmathof, just a stone's throw from the central station, offers cozy rooms in a beautifully renovated historic building. It's perfect for anyone looking to save on accommodation without sacrificing comfort or location. When it comes to experiences, Zurich doesn't disappoint. Whether you're a foodie, an art lover, or an outdoor enthusiast, there's something here for you. First things first, fondue. If you haven't tried this bubbling pot of cheesy goodness, you haven't truly experienced Switzerland. Chalet Zurich in District 7 offers an authentic fondue experience with stunning panoramic views. Pair that with the local wine, and you've got an unforgettable evening. If you're in the mood for nature, hop on a short train ride to Wettliberg Mountain. Once at the summit, you'll be treated to panoramic views of Zurich, Lake Zurich, and of course, the Swiss Alps. It's the perfect escape from the city, ideal for hiking or simply relaxing in nature. And let's not forget Zurich's famous chocolate. A visit to Lindt Home of Chocolate is essential for any chocoholic. Just outside Zurich, this chocolate wonderland includes a museum, interactive exhibits, and of course, tasting opportunities galore. If you prefer something more central, Confiserie Sprungli and Max Chocolatier are must-visit spots for delectable sweet treats. Zurich also boasts some amazing cultural experiences, from the Zurich Opera House to the numerous world-class museums like the Kunsthaus Zurich. These offer a deep dive into both local and international art, history, and music. And if you fancy a little time with nature, the Zurich Botanical Garden is one of Switzerland's most beautiful and well-maintained green spaces. Located in the Wienig district of Zurich, this botanic wonderland covers approximately 53,000 square meters, 13 acres, and is divided into several themed zones, including temperate, tropical, and Mediterranean climates. You can discover around 15,000 species of plants, including exotic species from Asia, Australia, and more. The Zurich Botanical Garden offers a serene escape from city life. For shopping, head to Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping avenues. Whether you're looking for luxury brands or unique Swiss souvenirs, you'll find it all here. Zurich is a city of contrasts, where medieval charm meets modern convenience, where tranquil lakeside moments coexist with vibrant urban energy. Whether you're indulging in fondue, wandering through art galleries, or simply soaking in the city's beauty, Zurich will leave you with unforgettable memories and perhaps a little extra chocolate in your suitcase. Still feeling inspired? I've got our next stop ready to go.